Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a toffee nut latte. Toffee nut lattes are pretty popular today, but they can cost you about $3 to $5 at a coffee shop. So today we're going to learn how to make them at home for a fraction of the price. A lot of people are confused between the difference of a latte and a cappuccino. The main difference is the amount of foam on top of a cappuccino and a latte. A cappuccino has a lot of foam, almost about 2/3 of the beverage, while a latte has about an inch of foam across the top. All you really need to make a toffee nut latte is a home espresso machine, toffee nut syrup, which you could buy at any coffee shop or even in the grocery stores. You could find them in the coffee aisle, some ground espresso, milk, and a coffee cup. Okay, so what we're going to do first to make our toffee nut latte is we're going to take our coffee mug and you're going to fill it up with 1 tablespoon of toffee nut syrup. You want to make sure you put the syrup in the cup first so that when you pour in your hot espresso and your hot milk, all of the flavor blends for you so you don't have to stir it. After that, we're going to take our portafilter from our espresso machine. You're going to fill it up with finely ground espresso. Fill it up to the top and then smooth the surface so you have an even surface on your portafilter. Take your tamper and you're going to place 40 pounds of pressure, basically to make the espresso very compact. Put it back in your espresso machine and turn your espresso machine on. While that shot is pouring, you can prepare your milk. Basically, you're just going to pour in cold milk about halfway up your container, and then you're going to go ahead and steam that. When steaming your milk, you're going to want to make sure that you insert air for about 2 to 3 seconds. If you insert too much air with your steam wand into your milk, what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of foam and basically end up with a very foamy latte or a cappuccino. And then once you're done scratching the surface for 2 to 3 seconds, you'll immerse your wand back into your milk and continue to steam it until you reach about 150 degrees. Okay, so now that we're done with our espresso and steaming our milk, we're going to take our shot of espresso and pour it in our cup that already has the toffee nut syrup in there so that it mixes well. You're going to take your milk and swirl it around a little bit and pound out those bubbles to get a nice smooth consistency. And then you're going to slowly pour your milk into the espresso and the toffee nut syrup. Again, you'll have some foam on top, but you shouldn't have that much foam. And there you have your toffee nut latte. Remember, when using your espresso machine at home, use extra caution because the various components of the machine can get very hot. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and that's how you make a toffee nut latte at home.